You know those days when work gets too much and your mind needs a break? I was sitting there frustrated and I knew I had to get out. So I picked up my phone, called Khalik Bhai, and I was like, Bhai, short ride chale. And even without thinking, he just said, Chalo, main to ready hu. Bus, that was it. In minutes, I got up and started riding towards his place.
कनकपुरा रोड पकड़ते हैं, चलते रहते हैं जहाँ खुदा लेके जाए.
No planning, no destination, nothing. Just two riders who wants to get away for a bit. Smooth roads, empty stretch, perfect start to ride. After a while, we took a small break, and then when I thought, okay, it's time to get some cinematic shots,
बैटरी दिखाई नहीं रहा है यार.
we asked some locals nearby, and they told us places which honestly we couldn't even pronounce properly. We looked at each other and said, रहने दे भाई, चलो मैसूर चलते हैं. No maps, no expectation, just riding wherever the road takes us.
हाँ चलो करते हैं क्रिएट. आगे से यहाँ से.
And then, when everything was going smooth, my motorcycle, Aka Poison, decided to get a little angry with me. Out of nowhere, it just refused to start. I was like, अब क्या हो गया भाई? So we stopped, gave it some time to cool down. And that's when I noticed something crazy. Coolant completely gone. Anyways, we waited, let the engine cool down, and somehow it started again. Now, the mission was simple, find coolant. But the real question was, इस गांव में coolant मिलेगा कहाँ? We kept riding slowly, asking around, and luckily, we found an Indian Oil petrol bunk. Guess what? They actually had coolant. Poison was happy again, and honestly, I could finally breathe. But story यहीं खत्म नहीं हुई. Just when I thought everything was sorted, I noticed oil leak from the rear cylinder, and at that point, I just laughed. I was like, आज सब कुछ एक साथ ही होगा क्या? With no other option, I bought 10W50 engine oil from the same place, just in case. But you know what? None of this stopped us, because once you're on a ride like this, you don't turn back. So we looked at each other and said, let's go to Kabini. So we finally decided to go to Kabini backwaters. No idea what was ahead, no idea what kind of road. But we just kept going. And that's when things got interesting. Now, I'm a cruiser guy. I hate off-roading. And of course, were you another? Broken roads, loose gravel, heat getting worse with every kilometer. And I was just thinking, ये मैंने क्या कर दिया?
कोई बोल रहा है, रुको 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 रुको, कुछ बोल रहे हैं. वापस जाने बोल रहे हैं.
Then came the worst part. A narrow off-road patch, no proper space, no clear way ahead. And taking U-turn? Almost impossible. I was literally stuck there, sweating, pushing Poison, and questioning all my life decisions. Meanwhile, Khalik Bhai was having the time of his life. Proper off-road mode on. His bike was like, finally, this is what I made for. And me, I was just trying to survive. But somehow, after all the heat, all that struggle, we finally reached Kabini backwaters. And trust me, that moment made everything worth it. We were tired, exhausted, completely drained, but at the same time, genuinely happy. This wasn't planned. We didn't chase this place. We just ended up here. And I think those are the best rides, the ones you don't plan but remember forever.